Imagine a tool capable of transforming every construction, renovation, or decoration project into a precise work of art. This tool exists. This is the POPOMAN MTM350B laser level, a concentration of technologies at the service of your ambitions. So, if you are interested, don't hesitate to click on the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see the hundreds of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours right away. This laser level is the ideal tool for construction professionals, renovators, and DIY enthusiasts who seek precision and reliability. Its ease of use also makes it perfect for enthusiasts looking to undertake interior decoration projects with professional precision. At the heart of this technological gem lies a promise: precision. With its 3 green laser lines, 3 times 360 degree, the POPOMAN MTM350B defies the laws of geometry, providing a clear and bright line over 45 meters. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a weekend DIYer, this tool is your ally for impeccable results. What makes the POPOMAN MTM350B exceptional is its battery life. Equipped with a 5200 mAh lithium battery, it promises up to 8 hours of uninterrupted work. No more interruptions to recharge. Your creativity knows no bounds. But that's not all. Durability is also part of the package. With its durable housing certified IP54, this laser level withstands dust and splashes, accompanying you in all your projects, even the most demanding ones. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Using the POPOMAN MTM350B is a breeze. Its self-leveling feature ensures straight lines every time, even if you are not an expert. Additionally, its manual mode gives you the freedom to project lines at the desired angle for custom creations. This laser level is not just a tool, it is a work companion. With its 2 magnetic mounts, attach it wherever you want and however you want on a tripod. A metal wall where you balance on a surface, it adapts to all your needs. Whether you want to lay tiles, decorate a wall, or install shelves, the POPOMAN MTM350B is here for you. Its green light, twice as bright as red, remains visible even in broad daylight, ensuring you flawless precision. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality, and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. And let me remind you that the POPOMAN MTM350B is not just a simple tool. It is a promise that of a job well done, of unmatched precision, and of guaranteed satisfaction. Accompanied by a manual in French, a target, a carrying case, a USB charging cable, and much more, it is a complete kit that awaits you. Now, let's recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1, high precision. 3 laser lines, 3x 360 degree, provide an accuracy of plus or minus 3 mm at 10 mm, ideal for precise measurements. Advantage number 2, good visibility. The green laser is brighter and more visible than traditional red lasers, even in daylight conditions. Advantage number 3, extended battery life. 5200 mAh lithium battery, allowing for up to 8 hours of continuous work. Advantage number 4, robustness and durability. Designed with IP54 water and dust resistance, it is suitable for challenging work environments. Advantage number 5, self-leveling. Self-leveling function for always straight lines, making it easy to use for all experience levels. Advantage number 6, versatility. 2 magnetic support frames for easy use on various surfaces and situations. Advantage number 7, portability. Lightweight and compact, accompanied by a convenient carrying case. Now let's move on to a few drawbacks. Disadvantage number 1, complexity for beginners. Despite its ease of use, the multiple features can be intimidating for novice users. Disadvantage number 2, sensitivity to direct sunlight. Reduced performance in full sun, which can limit its use outdoors. Now imagine that this tool is within reach, ready to turn your boldest projects into reality. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Click the link in the description to order the POPOMAN MTM350B at the best price. Discover the glowing reviews from hundreds of customers and start your journey into the world of precision. Your next masterpiece is waiting for you. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.